Okay, here is another example of a question from the biology EOC. This question does not have an image or a graphic or a graph, but I'm still going to want you to cover the answers so that you don't get distracted and you're not jumping ahead, and that you're reading the entire question and sentence down. And the question reads, arthropods are joint-legged animals. Spiders, crabs, pillbugs, centipedes, and millipedes are examples of the many types of arthropods. Which of these arthropods are most closely related? So the key word here is arthropods. And let's say you forgot what arthropods are, but if you look back, it does tell you that they're joint-legged animals, and it gives you several examples. And it's asking, which of all these is going to be closely related? Okay, so you're going to have to be comparing. And the answers are arthropods of the same family, arthropods of the same class, arthropods of the same genus, arthropods of the same species. Now notice I read all of them. Okay, I didn't stop at the first one and say, oh, that's it, and circle it. I read all of them. So this is a classification question. So in biology, you learned that King Philip came over for good spaghetti. Okay? Now the way this looks is you have the broadest one at the very top, and it goes all the way to the bottom. So the most organisms are here, the least amount of organisms are here. This is kingdom. This is phylum. And if you notice, look how I made notes. That's okay. That's why there's so much space on the STAR test, so you can make notes. That's what it's for. Order, family, genus, and species. So this is the broadest and has the most. And the reason we know it's the most is because it's the biggest. There's different types of organisms in there. The one that has the smallest amount that are going to be the most similar are species. Okay? So then we're going to look for the one that has species. Family, class, genus, species. And your answer is J. Now, like I told you before, you want to make sure your answer makes sense. So we said that species are closely related. We're going to check our image, our graphic from our notes that we drew. And species does have the least amount of organisms, so that answer is correct. It does make sense.